Hi, this is Angie from Brown Haired Bliss, and today's style I'm going to show you how to make a perfect ballerina bun. This style is perfect for dancing and it's also just great for every day, so let's get started. I always do this style on damp hair. Her hair was already wet, so if it's not, I would recommend spraying it down. Then just grab the hair and pull it to the top of the head. We're going to make this at the crown of the head, so kind of at the top. And just go around and take your time and get rid of all of those bumps. You want to make it as smooth as possible. And like I said, please just take your time. You'll be happy that you did. Now take a pretty sturdy elastic and just secure that ponytail in place. Now once we've created that ponytail, we're going to use a bun maker or a little hair donut and put the ponytail through that hole. And now we're going to split the hair horizontally into 2 equal sections and then just lay them flat over the bun maker. And now again, just take your time and just use a brush or a comb, and you want to make it as smooth as possible. So just go around until it's equal on all sides and really smooth. Now grab a really stretchy elastic and just slowly put it over the bun maker and let go of it. And so now we have all of this hair we need to wrap around. So starting at the bottom, just grab the hair, and again you want to just take your time doing this and start twisting it towards the bun. Now just keep twisting it, and as you go around, just grab more hair and add it to that twist. And you're going to keep doing this all the way around the bun. Now it depends on how thick the bun is, so just do it as long as you can. And once you've wrapped it around as far as it'll go, grab some bobby pins and start securing it in place. You may need to use a lot more bobby pins. I didn't have to use very many here because she does have thinner hair. And this is the final style. Again, this style is perfect for dancing, but it's also great for every day. It stays put so well, and I think that you'll really enjoy it. I hope that you enjoy recreating it on your own. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and we would love it if you would give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe so that you can be notified of all of our upcoming videos. You can also click above if you would like to see some of our past tutorials. We have a lot to choose from. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on our next video. Bye!